Hey guys, it's David. I'm the CEO of MV Forge and AL13 Wheels, and today you're at our booth at the 2024 SEMA Show. I'm really excited to partner up on one of our 7 builds with the new Zacoe Widebody kit done by Creative Bespoke. We have 2 different side wheels. We tried to showcase AL13 on one side and MV Forge on the other. On the passenger side, we have an AL13 R150, brand new, they just came out. 21-22 setup in a 3-piece configuration with a polish and brush surface. On this side of the car, we're running our brand new MV MR201 design. It's a super mesh design. I personally love super mesh designs on Ferraris. I think they look phenomenal. We're also doing a 21-22 3-piece configuration setup with a polished and brushed surface face with the blue accents to match the interior. And also the fully custom blue interior that Creative Bespoke did. It's all hand-tailored. Absolutely amazing car. This is probably one of my favorite Zacoe builds that we've ever brought to SEMA. So I'm really excited about this car right here. Matter of fact, that it was for sale, and day 1 of SEMA it sold like that, and 3 other people already want this kit on this car. So definitely a huge success for you guys in Zacoe on this Widebody program.
Good morning, everyone. We are here at SEMA 2024. I wanted to go over some of the projects we've been doing and the collaboration we had with some of our partners. One in special is this 812 SuperFast that we worked with Zacoe and also FI Exhaust, also with AL13 and MV Forge. This was a collaboration that was in the works for last 6 months or so. Finally, we get a chance to partner Zacoe, get a chance to produce the kit. And obviously, FI Exhaust already had the system in stock. The parts showed up about 2 weeks ago, and my team worked day and night to get this project come to life. The car is started as a regular SuperFast. The Widebody kit that you see on the car includes white fenders, which are molded into the car, front bumper extension, lower carbon fiber lip. Now, one thing to keep in mind, this whole entire kit is pre-preg carbon. It is not fiberglass, it's high quality carbon, so the installation and longevity is 100%. You can see the carbon fiber side vents on the car, lower side skirt. This thing also has a window right behind the front fenders, which gives a really aggressive look. The rear quarter panels are also molded into the car. You see all the vents on the side of it, aerodynamic that goes through here and exit up here. So there was a lot gone into designing this kit, and I think it's one of the most beautiful kit for this car. Is not too much. It gives it that wide and aggressive look, especially with lowering suspension and proper offset wheels. This car looks massive, especially from behind. As far as the FI exhaust go, on this particular car, we have a full system. Sounds amazing, with the Gentani tune. So it's like an F1 car on the street. We're looking really forward to do longevity business with our partners, especially Zacoe, MV Forge, and FI Exhaust. We have a lot of projects in the works, and stay tuned to see a lot of our newest project coming up. You got it.